Hey, my name's Eddie with Uniform Bright. Today we are talking about Vestis arbitration, or an arbitration with Vestis Corporation uniform rental contract. If you have a uniform rental contract or a facilities contract, then you most likely have a arbitration clause in your contract. And it is very difficult. When I'm looking at case citation and I'm researching certain cases, I do not see a lot of case citation due to the fact that these arbitration hearings are private. And that's the way the uniform rental companies like it. If they do it that way, then they don't run the risk of getting case precedents against them to where they can't do something, or it's where they stay out of the limelight, they stay out of the public eye, so that they don't get, or there's less likelihood that they will get a class action lawsuit. So we're talking about Vestis and arbitration clause. Now Vestis is going through a class action lawsuit. Matter of fact, a number of class action lawsuits right now. And it is hurting them bad. But if you have one of these in there and you cancel the contract, it's going to be you, the lawyers for Vestis, and it's going to be one arbitrator generally. And he's going to make a decision. Most of the people that I've encountered that go to this, they think they got all these emails, I got these things to help, and they're missing that one critical thing. And that one critical thing is this, that, hey, did you send a letter by certified mail notifying them that you were going to cancel, and you specifically noted the reasons why? And they're like, no, but I got 100 emails. And the judge is going to say, sorry, can't help you. You didn't follow the outline. Maybe that got to the secretary, but the secretary never gave it to the general manager. And therefore, because you didn't follow the proper procedures, you lose. You lose. That's why it's important. Look at my other videos for Vestis and Vestis Corporation, because they're going to show you exactly, especially when you're sending out a certified letter. If you need help, I can help. Don't hire a lawyer initially. You want to work with a lawyer when you get to arbitration, and I can send you to a good lawyer. But if you right now you need an expert, somebody that has the insider knowledge, somebody that can steer you in the right direction so that you don't get a big judgment against you. Because at the end of the day, in that contract, you agreed also to pay for the lawyer's fees for Vestis Corporation. So don't let it happen to you. I mean, you could initially owe $10,000, that could turn into $20,000 or $25,000 at the end of the day, or even more if you are a big company and had a big bill with them. So, hey, send me a copy of your contract, send me a copy of your invoice. The first call is always free. I want to help you. I'm working in Canada now. I believe it or not, I'm the only one that does this in the United States. And now I found out I'm the only one in Canada. So go ahead and give me a call, guys. I'm here to help, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.